Hi, in this video I will be going over my September Redbubble earnings. So just quick overview, my shop currently has 85 followers or 1,600 favorites received, and I've sold 78 products. So now going into my dashboard, I'm not currently at the threshold. Hopefully I get there before the end of this month. And we're just going to go into what I've sold in September, which comes out to be $19.58. So of course I am going to go through and see exactly what's products sold. So okay, it looks like I had 2 sales in the month of September, which is very, very low. I probably should put more effort into Redbubble, especially I don't even know, but yeah, it's just been a bit of a slump overall, and it's something that could be improved. But in the month of September I made 2 sales. One was a sticker, which I will show you what these products look like. I'll have them on the screen. I sold a sticker pack to someone in Australia. Fun. And that one retailed for $1.60. My margin was 64 cents. And I also sold a tapestry. This is like my main best-selling product. That one was for someone in Connecticut. Retail price was $60. That is insane. That is so much money. A manufacturing fee was $41. My artist margin was $18.94. Total, I made around $19-20 this month. Could be better, but as like pocket change, that's pretty good. I mean, this is nothing you could like survive on, obviously. It's just a way to make some extra money, maybe like food money, things like that. Yeah, so that's what I made this month. I'm definitely hoping that over the holidays, Black Friday, and Christmas season that my shop will get more traffic. I'm also going to look into ways of implementing more like marketing strategies, just ways to get more people to my shop, because 2 sales is kind of low, very, very low. And I know that I could make a lot more if I just worked on it, spent some more time figuring out that side of it, the marketing and advertising side of it, maybe treating it a little less passive, at least until I get more of an audience or more followers on here. Thank you for watching. If you want more Redbubble content, as always, let me know. Like this video so I know that you appreciate it. I'll see you in my next one.